The shareholders of Baiken U Limited Liability Partnership are the National Atomic Company Kazatomprom JSC and Energy Asia Limited. The main activity of Baiken U LLP is extraction, processing of natural uranium and mining preparation work at Khorasan 2 deposit, North Khorasan, which is one of the deepest uranium deposits in the situ recovery technology. North Khorasan is the largest deposit of Sidaria uranium ore province in accordance with the plot plan for development of uranium industry of the Republic of Kazakhstan and is divided into two areas, Khorasan 1 and Khorasan 2, located in the Zhanakorgan district of Kizilorda region. In situ recovery uranium mining is the most progressive, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective method without hoisting ore to the surface. Uranium-bearing ore remains under the surface, unlike underground mining and open-pit mining methods. A centralized management system is used at Khorasan 2 mine, thanks to which the entire production process is continuously monitored and maximum safety is ensured. Integrated management system was implemented in Baiken U LLP in 2014. Currently, after the recertification, the partnership has the following certificates: ISO 9001 2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System, OSAS 18001 2007 Occupational Safety and Labor Protection Management System. The main goals of Baiken U LLP in health, environment, and safety are employees' health maintenance, enhance, improve, and maintain in working order the principles and measures to prevent accidents, occupational diseases, and incidents, ensuring optimal consumption of resources, reduction of harmful emissions into the atmosphere, waste limitation, prevention of emergency situations that can lead to environmental pollution. The following industrial facilities are operated to ensure the production process at Khorasan 2 mine: Productive Solutions Processing Shop, Refining Shop, Sulfuric Acid, Fuel and Lubricants Warehouse, Compressor Units, Boiler Units, Process Pipelines, Well Washing and Cleaning Facilities, Process Wells, Technological Units of Acidification, Finished Products Warehouse. The following chemical substances are stored in these industrial facilities: yellow cake. Uranium peroxide is an ionizing radiation source. It is located in Refining Shop, Industrial Site Number 1. The main occupational risk is radiation exposure. U-308 is an ionizing radiation source. It is located in Refining Shop, Industrial Site Number 1. The main occupational risk is radiation exposure. Sulfuric acid is a caustic substance, reacts sharply with water, sodium, and organic substances. It is stored in special tanks and goes along the pipelines. The main occupational risk is chemical burn. Ammonia water. It is stored in special tanks and located at Industrial Area Number 1. The main occupational risk is chemical burn. Hydrogen peroxide is a solvent, fire, and explosion hazard. It is stored in special place located at Industrial Area 1. The main occupational risk is chemical and thermal burns. Fuel and Lubricants Warehouse. Gasoline, diesel fuels are flammable and hazardous. They are located in Fuel and Lubricants Warehouse located at Industrial Site Number 1. The main occupational risks are intoxication, thermal burns, and skin irritation. The following safety signs are installed at Khorasan 2 mine facilities, where hazard and risks present: danger, corrosive substances, fire hazardous, flammable substances, explosive, danger, radioactive substances, or ionizing radiation. It is necessary to follow the prohibitory, warning, prescriptive signs, evacuation signs, fire safety, and other information signs posted at the facilities. Also, it is necessary to remember the information provided at the safety moment meetings and behavior rules for mine visitors. When visiting Khorasan 2 mine production facilities, it is necessary to use special clothing and special footwear, safety helmet, and goggles. When visiting the Pregnant Solutions Processing Shops, Finished Product Storage, and Refining Shop, it is recommended to use safety gloves and respiratory protection, respirator, face mask. On the territory of the mine, you should go on pedestrian ways. If they are not available, use the roads in compliance with the requirements of the Republic of Kazakhstan road safety rules. Visiting the territory of the mine and production facilities is allowed only in the presence of an accompanying employee of the mine. Smoking is allowed only in specially designated places marked with smoking area signs. When leaving the production facilities of the mine, the used personal protective equipment should be handed over to the mine employee or placed in container with "For Used PPE" sign. It is prohibited to take off the helmet and personal protective equipment, distract the employees from work, and independently change the traffic route inside the production facilities. It is prohibited to use photo and video equipment. It is prohibited to close and open, switch any stop valves on pipelines and equipment. It is prohibited to be in the area where any lifting mechanisms operate. If you notice a near-miss, unsafe action by an employee of the company or unsafe conditions, immediately inform the accompanying employee of the mine about that. Radiation safety. When visiting the mine, it is necessary to use the face masks as instructed by accompanying employee of the mine in certain premises. After visiting the mine, it is recommended to wash hands thoroughly with warm water and soap and then undergo dosimetric control. Speed limits for vehicles. For camp and industrial area, 10 kilometers an hour. For dirt roads and landfill, 40 kilometers an hour. For technological roads, 50 kilometers an hour. It is not recommended to use tap water for drinking in domestic and industrial premises at the industrial area and camp. Bottled water and water from dispensers are used for drinking. Environmental protection is the first priority for all Baiken U LLP employees. The key principles in environment protection are: no environmental pollution, movement on paved roads only, no harm to flora and fauna of the region, sort waste correctly and separate by type and take actions to minimize it. Surrounding flora, surrounding fauna. Important to remember. Safety first. Thank you for your attention.